Addition word problems made easy. Math for Kids with Lucas.
Hi friends! Welcome back to Math Word Problems Made Easy with Lucas. Last time, we learned what a word problem is and the 3 secret steps to solve one. Do you remember them? Read carefully, find the numbers and clue words, and choose the right operation. Today, we're going to practice solving addition word problems. Ready? Let's do this.
What are addition word problems?
Addition word problems are little math stories where we need to put numbers together. Clue words you might see are in total, altogether, sum, combined, more, added. Here's a tip. If the story sounds like things are being joined or added up, it's probably an addition problem.
Birthday party example.
Let's try one together. At Mia's birthday party, there are 7 cupcakes on the table. Her mom brings 5 more cupcakes. How many cupcakes are there now? Step 1, read carefully. Step 2, the numbers are 7 and 5. Step 3, clue words are brings more and how many now. That means addition. So 7 plus 5 equals 12. There are 12 cupcakes in total. See? Addition word problems are just about putting groups together.
Sports example.
Here's another one. The red team scored 3 goals in the first half of the soccer game. They scored 2 more in the second half. How many goals did they score in total? Step 1, read carefully. Step 2, the numbers are 3 and 2. Step 3, clue words are more and in total. That's addition. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. The red team scored 5 goals in all.
Your turn.
Now it's your turn to solve one. Emma has 4 teddy bears. She buys 6 more at the store. How many teddy bears does she have altogether? Pause the video and try it yourself. When you're ready, press play. Did you get 10? Great work! 4 plus 6 equals 10 teddy bears in total.
Extra challenge.
Here's a tricky one for you. In the library, there are 15 books on one shelf and 12 books on another shelf. How many books are there in total? Pause and give it a try. Answer: 15 plus 12 equals 27. There are 27 books altogether.
Wrap up.
Awesome work today, everyone! You solved addition word problems by looking for clue words like altogether, in total, combined, more, and then adding the numbers. Next time, we'll try subtraction word problems, where we figure out what's left after taking something away. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me again for more math adventures with Lucas. See you soon!